a lot of people have been wondering lately, and I'm just gonna put it simply, and so I just want to come on here and let the truth out. So today I'm gonna be addressing the elephant in the room. Hey! How's your day going? Oh, what is up? Yeah. Cool. Okay, so you're good? Awesome. Yeah. And there you have it. I addressed the elephant in the room. I'm on the road again. I'm headed to the Mountain State? What is it? The Square State, Colorado. This is definitely my first take of this, not the second take. First stop, world's largest petrified wood park. Come on, let's go. Urinal cake blue fountain. Dinosaur bones. Oh, how I love your woodness. Oh, petrified wood tree, oh, petrified wood tree. Oh, how I love your tallness. So big and triangular and made of stone. Except it's not made of stone, it's made of petrified wood. Oh, petrified wood tree, oh, petrified wood tree. Oh, how I love your triangularness. Oh, hi. Take a seat. So glad you could finally join me. I hope you enjoyed the Petrified Wood Park as much as I just did. Again, on to the next location. There! They're mute. Fluffy cows. I'm gonna pet them. Welcome to space. We are going to try some Neapolitan freeze-dried ice cream. This is what it looks like. I'll start with the chocolate side. That's okay. I don't really like chocolate ice cream, so I'm not a fair judge. Vanilla. It's kind of just like an Oreo. Oh. And now, strawberry. Now that's where it's at. Hey, editing Leah here. I bet you never thought you'd see me again. I haven't interjected in a while, so I'm coming on here to say right now that this is the part of the video where we moved to where the beginning of the video was, because I didn't have a plan for this video, but I still want to include these clips because I think they're kind of funny. Yeah, so that's what this is going to be, and you'll also see the other takes of what you saw at the beginning, just so that's apparent. He likes me. My goal is crocodile. Wait, I landed here. Yes! Crocodile. I'm pretty incredible. Now I'm gonna take paper. True athlete. I'm coming on here today to address the elephant in the room. Hey. What's up? Yeah, no, that's cool. It's an elephant in the same room as me. Get it? Because it's an elephant. Thanks for watching.